Yo guys, it's Sami here. Today we are going to talk about how to study dentistry in English language in Italy. Let me rephrase it. How you can study dentistry in Italy in English language for absolutely free. Yeah, you heard it right. Studying dentistry in Italy is free. We will talk about how your accommodation can be free, how your tuition fee can be exempted, and how you can receive little pocket money and some discounts on your travel and book fares. So we will talk about each and every single detail. So let's break each and every aspect, what it costs, where to apply, how to get in, and whether the studying dentistry in Italy is really worth it or not. So let's go. So if you are really interested to study dentistry or BDS in English language in Italy, then you must opt for Italy. There are like certain reasons for that, but I'm going to mention few of them. First of all, the English degree about dentistry is really good in Italy. It is recognized all over Europe. It means that after post graduation you can work in all over the Europe. It doesn't matter, but you will be off hopefully going to US or UK. You can work there, but there are like certain opportunities that you will be getting throughout your medical school. You will get to know about them. You can apply them for later, but the dentistry program in English in Italy is kind of best. Why? It has got clinical exposure after second year of medical school. First 2 years are like basics, but after second year you will be going to hospital and then you will be learning, interacting with the patients. You will be learning about oral surgery, orthodontics, and there is gynecology. So you will be learning all of them. Don't worry about that. We will not talk about the course details and everything. We are really interested in how you can apply and what are the benefits and how you can study it for absolutely free. That is the main role here. So the first question you must have in your mind is how many universities offer English program about dentistry in Italy. So that is really sad to say there are just 2 universities that are offering this program. That means if there are just 2 universities, the competition is going to be really high, just skyrocketing. So there are 2 universities, University of Siena and University of La Spezia, Roma. These are the 2 universities and the seats are very less, literally very less, for specifically for non-Europeans. You will have to compete with like lots of good students around the globe to outbeat them and to get into the cutoffs and merits. So there are 2 universities, the La Spezia, Roma and Siena. Let's talk about their number of seats, how many seats both of these universities have got. So Siena has got 23 seats for Europeans and 12 seats for non-Europeans. La Spezia has got 19 seats for Europeans and 6 seats for non-Europeans. I know that is kind of really sad, but that is the reality. It doesn't matter if you have got the dream and you can beat the IMAT, then you can really get into it. I'm going to talk about how to apply for it first of all, then we will move on to the requirement, what you need, all the documentation and everything. Then we will talk later, is this degree really worth it? And the most important thing, how you can apply for scholarship to waive off your all the fee and get free accommodation. So how to apply for it? The procedure is same for non-Europeans. You are going to apply through Universe Italy RIT. That is the pre-enrollment that you are going to do. There is no pre-application, so you will have to do just pre-enrollment for non-European. But for Europeans, La Spezia has got the pre-application. If you are a European, you will be doing the pre-application for La Spezia. They have got certain deadline, but for non-European, they have clear-cut mentioned that June 30th is their deadline. But check every year, that can vary because the Italian Ministry of Education has got some delays in their announcements. That's why universities have to opt for that. But for that, you can always visit the respective university page for time to time update, or you can even email to your university about the deadlines and everything. They will let you know, so don't worry about that. For University of Siena, similarly, non-Europeans will have to do pre-enrollment, but for Europeans, there is no pre-application. You just have to select in the order during IMAT booking, so you will be considered in that. You can still check in with your university if there is any update regarding pre-application, so you can do it. It's not hard. Now let's talk about the requirement. That the big requirement is going to be your IMAT. The similar IMAT that you are going to attempt for medicine surgery, you will have to attempt for the dentistry. It is going to assess the same subjects and everything I have mentioned in very detail. So for IMAT, you can check out below playlist, whole playlist about IMAT. I have got each and every aspect of IMAT covered, so you can visit. So you can watch all the aspects of IMAT from that playlist and literally you can crack it. It's not hard, but you will have to grind more because the competition is going to be hard. I have attached the merit list from previous years 2023 and 2024 in the video description. You can check out on my website as well. The scores are really really high for dentistry. Again, I'm not discouraging you. You can do it. If you had got a dream and you are like a good student, then you can do it and you can prepare really well for IMAT. It will not be hard for you, I think. But anyways, you still have to beat the IMAT exam to get into dentistry. Either you are European or non-European. For European, the cutoff is 10 point less than non-European. For non-European, the competition is high because the number of seats are less, as you know this thing. I don't have to explain this. Now let's talk about the dentistry in English language and about the course curriculum. Then we will talk about how you can avail scholarship, and then we will close this video with our final thoughts. Is it really worth it or not? So first of all, the dentistry is exactly same as MD of 6 years. You will have to grind 6 years to get the degree of your dentistry, but there is one catch. First 2 years are going to be your basics. You will be learning some basics, and after your second year you will be going to hospital where you will be interacting with patients with real-time experience, and you will be learning oral surgery and orthodontics and different fields related to oral teeth, just teeth, okay, because you will be studying teeth, but you will be exploring lots of things during your basics. You will be studying about pathology and anatomy and physiology and lots of biochemistry and some side subjects, critical thinking, languages and all that. But again, there is a catch. First 2 years are going to be your you will be studying everything in English language because you will be in university, but from second year onward you will be going to hospital where you will be attending classes. So for that you will need Italian language. You will have to learn Italian language so that because you will be interacting with the patients and they will be speaking Italian language. For that you need to learn Italian language. Although don't worry about that, university will help you in learning that, and you will be interacting with Italian students, so you will definitely learn it. And I don't know if you know, Duolingo is the best thing you can do, but the real speaking with students and professors out there, that will give you lots of experience in your Italian language learning. Don't worry about that. Now let's talk about how is it free, how to apply for scholarship. This is the part everybody loves. So you will be applying through regional scholarship that is completely solely based on your financial status. If you are wondering, I will not go into very details because I have made a separate video out here. You will see in the description below as well, so you can watch it after this video. That has got each and everything related to regional scholarship, all the documentation, how to apply, where to apply, everything. So you will be applying the regional scholarship after your pre-enrollment or your pre-application, as it depends, either you are a European or non-European. So you will apply through this scholarship. You will definitely get it if your yearly income, your house income is less than 24,000 euros. So you will definitely get this scholarship, and through this scholarship your tuition fee will completely waived off. That is around 3,000 euros per year. You will be that will be completely waived off. You will have to just pay little tax, that is around 150 euros something, or 126, I don't know, but you can search it up. Again, don't worry about scholarship. The university has got some merit-based scholarship as well. So if your profile will be great, you will be getting merit-based scholarships as well. But again, you have to apply for regional scholarship. The first and foremost aim is you must get the regional scholarship. That's how you can completely study dentistry for free in Italy. And again, in short, your tuition fee will be waived off, your accommodation will be free, you will be getting free meals, and then there will be some pocket money that you will be getting every single year. Either studying dentistry in Italy is really worth it. Yes, 100% you must study if you have got a dream, because the quality is amazing and the lifestyle is unbeatable. Again, the degree is recognized all over the Europe. So after post-graduation, you can work in any country without giving any licensing exam. You can do post-graduation from Italy as well. There will be lots of opportunities, but you don't have to worry about it right now. If you have got a dream, just go and search about when pre-enrollments are going to open or pre-applications are going to open. Just apply for it and just grind for IMAT exam. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have, so then like this video and subscribe this channel, and please turn on the bell icon, because whenever I put the video you shouldn't miss it. That's why I'm going to bring lots of cool videos about medicine, surgery and Italy in English language in Italy, and more opportunities in different countries. So now if you haven't watched this video about scholarship, the regional scholarship, then must watch it to apply for free dentistry. And then there is complete information about IMAT. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Till bye bye. And one more thing, you can reach me out on Instagram if you have got any queries. No, write down in the comment box, okay, just with the teeth, if you want me to make more videos about dentistry in Italy. Bye bye.